Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we save you from making terrible purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. It's the Holy Stone HS-175D versus the Potensic Atom SE. Buckle up, because we're about to take off into the world of high-flying tech. First up, let's talk about the price, because your wallet deserves to know what's happening. The Holy Stone HS-175D comes in at a cool $229. Meanwhile, the Potensic Atom SE is flexing its $299 price tag. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for that extra avocado toast, the Holy Stone might be your new best friend. Now, let's talk cameras. The Holy Stone HS-175D boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like having a mini IMAX theater in the sky. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom SE is packing a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor. Yeah, you heard that right, Sony. Plus, it's got a 118 degrees FOV and vertical adjustment from plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees. Reviewers love the Holy Stone's camera for its impressive recreational use, while the Potensic Sony sensor and image stabilization make it a favorite for more serious photography. Next up, flight time. The Holy Stone HS-175D gives you up to 46 minutes with its 2 batteries. That's nearly an hour of sky-high fun. But wait. The Potensic Atom SE swoops in with a whopping 62 minutes, thanks to its 2 intelligent 2,500 mAh batteries. That's more airtime than a reality TV show marathon. Holy Stone users appreciate the decent flight time, but Potensic users rave about its extended flying sessions. Let's talk brains. Because who doesn't love a smart drone? The Holy Stone HS-175D has GPS auto-return, altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and more. It's like having a mini robot butler in the sky. But the Potensic Atom SE isn't slacking either. It's got GPS auto-return, follow me, waypoint flight, and circle flight. Plus, it's always improving with firmware updates. Reviewers find the Holy Stone's features reliable and beginner-friendly, while Potensic's firmware updates and additional modes make it a versatile choice. Last but not least, let's talk design. The Holy Stone HS-175D is foldable, comes with a carrying case, and weighs under 250 grams. Perfect for those who love to travel light and avoid FAA registration. The Potensic Atom SE also weighs less than 249 grams and packs up small enough to fit in your jacket pocket. Plus, it's got brushless motors for level 5 wind resistance. Reviewers appreciate the portability and ease of use for both drones, but the Potensic's wind resistance and compact design give it an edge. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. The Holy Stone HS-175D is praised for its beginner-friendly features, stability, and good picture quality. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom SE is celebrated for its superior camera quality, stability, and extended flight time. Both drones are highly recommended, but your choice will depend on what specific features you prioritize. There you have it, folks. The Holy Stone HS-175D and the Potensic Atom SE, 2 amazing drones, each with their own perks. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic comparisons, and remember, always buy smart. Until next time, keep flying high. Product links are in the description.